Kalanchoes, like many succulents, are super easy to propagate, which is just a fancy word for producing more plants from your original. Just break off a leaf or a piece of leafy stem, not a flower stem. Let it dry out for a couple of days, then stick it in a pot of dry soil. When you see new leaves start to form at the base of the stem or leaf, and the baby plants put up a bit of resistance, when you give them a gentle tug, which means they have developed. But the another important question is how to grow kalanchoes. There are some steps we need to follow about kalanchoes. The first one is grow in bright light indoors and bright filter light or morning sun outdoors, summertime only. And the second one is plant Kalanchoe in Miracle Grow, Cactus Palm, and Citrus potting mix. Water when the top 2 inches of soil are dry. And the next one is feed Kalanchoe with Miracle Grow succulent plant food. Prune spent flowers, dead leaves, and shriveled branches. And the another important tip is keep Kalanchoe in the dark 14 hours per day to trigger a rebloom. Create more kalanchoes by breaking off pieces and sticking them in soil so they can form roots. You know those flowering plants with rubbery leaves that keep drawing your grocery store or garden center? Chances are it's a kalanchoe, pronounced kalanchoe, a succulent known botanical as kalanchoe. Do you know where to go grow kalanchoes? Kalanchoes grown as houseplants are sun worshippers, so give them the brightest light you can for the longest time possible. A south facing window is ideal, though west facing will also work. One thing kalanchoes don't like though is the cold, so make sure to keep them away from drafty windows and doors. Want to bring your favorite calanchos outdoors for the summer? Wait until nighttime nighttime temperatures are above 65 degrees Fahrenheit. Some other important tips we should follow about calanchos, and the first one is choose a pot that's not more than 2 inches wider than the root ball of your new kalanchoe. Make sure it has drainage holes too. And the second one is fill the pot one third full with Miracle Grow Cactus Palm and Citrus potting mix, which provides the excellent drainage your new plant baby needs, plus a bit of food to start growing strong. And the third one is carefully remove the kalanchoe from its original container and place it in the new pot so that the top of the root ball is about an inch below the rim to leave room for watering. Fill in around the root ball with more potting mix and pat gently. Thoroughly water your kalanchoe, let it drain, then move it to its new home. Be sure to place the pot on a saucer so moisture won't lack into your furniture. As we all know, the kalanchoe is a type of succulent. So the first major question we always raise in our mind that how to water kalanchoe. Kalanchoes are succulents, which means they store water in their leaves and don't need soil to be constantly moist. In fact, waterlogged soil will cause the stem of your new kalanchoe to rot, and you don't want that. The best rule of thumb for watering a kalanchoe is to stick your finger in the soil every few days when the top 2 inches of soil is dry. All the way dry, not just sort of dry. It's time to water indoors. This will probably means you will only need to water every 2 or 3 weeks, but be sure to check regularly outdoors during the summer. Take care to move your kalanchoe under cover if the forecast is calling for several inches of rain. It's worth knowing too that during the winter it will grow more slowly, leading to even more time between waterings. What about fertilizer? How to feed a Kalanchoe? Just like you need regular meals to stay strong, your Kalanchoe needs to be fed to. About a month after planting, it will start to get hungry. Here's what will satisfy its carving. Miracle Grow succulent plant food, which is specially formulated to instantly provide succulents plant with just the right amount and kind of nutrition. Simply apply directly to the soil and water as normal. Use two pumps for small pots and 5 pumps for larger pots over 6 inches in diameter. Don't forget to read the instruction given in that box. Kalanchoes, like many succulents, are super easy to propagate, which is just a fancy word for producing more plants from your original. Guys, if you like this information, please like, share, and subscribe my channel for more information. Thank you, friends. I will try to give the all details in description so it may convenient for you.